Welcome back, folks. Today we have a hot subject in our hands: boiling water test. To that you may ask, why on earth are we boiling plywood? Now, as you know, plywood is a staple in construction and crafting. Have you ever thought about how plywood handles high temperature? We have two pieces of plywood, one from a national brand and one from Novus, measuring 100 mm by 100 mm and 18 mm thick. We are going to dunk them into this pot of boiling water and keep it for 30 minutes. Our goal? To see how these plywood pieces react. Will they warp, delaminate, or be as solid as a rock? Both the participants have performed extremely well. Neither of the plywood have lost the shape nor the adhesive that holds the plywood layers together. To wrap it up, a successful boiling water test for plywood is a clear sign of its resilience against moisture. It means you can trust this plywood for tasks that may involve exposure to wet conditions without any worry. Well, it's time for me to leave. I shall be back with more interesting tests. Until next time, bye.